Meta Business Suite deletion issues affect thousands of businesses daily. Understanding the root causes is essential for effective troubleshooting. Meta Business Suite serves as a centralized hub for managing Facebook and Instagram business accounts, but it operates through separate API endpoints for each platform. The most common deletion issues stem from two primary sources: permission problems and synchronization delays between Facebook and Instagram platforms. Understanding the permission hierarchy is crucial for troubleshooting. Meta Business Suite uses 5 distinct role levels, each with specific deletion capabilities. The cross-platform sync engine manages content consistency between Facebook and Instagram, but sync delays can cause deletion attempts to fail or appear incomplete. Third-party scheduling tools can create permission conflicts that prevent direct deletion through Meta Business Suite. These tools maintain active API connections that may interfere with deletion requests. Understanding these core technical components, the permission validation system, cross-platform sync engine, and API rate limiting, is essential for effective troubleshooting of Meta Business Suite deletion issues. The first step in troubleshooting post-deletion issues is verifying your role and permissions. Navigate to Business Settings, then People, and select your name to check your content management permissions. If permissions are correct but you still can't delete posts, the issue is likely sync-related. Try manually triggering a sync by disconnecting and reconnecting your Instagram account to your Facebook page, or use the Refresh Account option in Connected Accounts settings. Browser issues can also prevent successful post-deletion. Clear your browser cache and cookies specifically for Meta Business Suite, or try using incognito mode. The mobile app often works better for forcing sync operations. As a last resort, use the platform-specific deletion strategy. Delete the post from the original platform where it was first posted, wait 2 to 4 hours for sync to complete, then attempt deletion from the secondary platform. To prevent future deletion issues, implement these best practices. Conduct regular permission audits monthly, standardize role templates across your team, maintain documentation of all permission changes, and schedule deletions during low traffic periods for optimal sync performance.